Hello, it's Blaker Blakerson and I. Today Blaker Blakerson's wearing a hat. Oh, and sometimes I'm wearing a hat. Oh no, Mama, you're wearing a hat. Oh no, Blaker Blakerson, can you wear a hat too? Where's your hat, Blaker Blaker? Oh, here's my hat, Mama. What if we wore a different hat, Blaker Blakerson? What if I wore this hat? I want to wear a hat, Mama. Oh, look at me in a hat, do-do-do-do-do, in a hat. I want to wear a different hat, Mama. Okay, Mama gets to wear the yellow hat. What about me, Mama? What about me? What about me? What about me? What about me? I can wear a hat. I can wear a hat. I want to wear a hat. I want to wear a hat. Okay, any other hats you want to wear today, Blaker Blakerson? Okay. Whoa, Mama! Why you in a flower, Mama? Why you in a flower, Mama? Why you in a flower dress? Why you in a flower baby? Oh, these are cute.